I just don't understand why people make this so complicated. It's really, really simple. I've shown the Landenberg SEO example many times. I rank for the top 8 spots out of 9 with zero effort. I rank number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 10. And one of them even has the F word in it. One of them even tells Google that this is a crappy content article. At the end, I leave them a special note. Google, you suck at determining quality content, yet we still dominate. So I want to ask you something. Why in the hell are you still making this so complicated? Is your life not already complicated enough? Then you must not be married with kids like my idiot ass, where your annoying little brats always want something from you. Daddy, I want more V-Bucks. Daddy, I want another oatmeal cream pie. Daddy, I'm thirsty. Wives, you are even worse. Always want more affection from me to come give you a kiss every time I walk in the door. Go find your own affection, woman. What do I look like to you? Life, complicated. SEO, simple. Let's start with the basics. Let's start with writing the perfect blog post. Look, this part is so easy. If you get it wrong, there might be something wrong with you. Google already shows us what they like and what they want. Every website that shows on the first page results in Google is a portrayal of what they like and what they want. So we can simply look at the first page and do what those sites are doing for our content. But we aren't going to do that manually. This isn't 1999 anymore. Now we have artificial intelligence. So what we're going to do is use an AI tool to analyze the first page. It's going to tell us exactly what the first page is doing. It's going to create an article outline based on the first page websites. But because it analyzes the whole first page, we're going to get an even better outline than those sites already ranking. Because our sites is an outline based off the combination of multiple sites that are ranking on page 1. So, hence, our outline's better. All right, let me show you how to get this outline and have the article written in under 3 minutes. All right, so you're going to sign up for a website called autoblogging.ai. Now, they do have an affiliate program. I'm not going to give you an affiliate link because I don't want you to think I'm just pushing this program. I just want you to know this works without any strings attached. So it's like $7 to get a free trial or free credits. Use it. It's very, very worth it. Okay, it's a very cheap program for what you get from it. So once you sign up, you're going to come to dash.autoblogging.ai and click on Godlike right here. It's going to bring you to this screen right here. Now, if I use the Landenberg SEO example, I'm going to type in Landenberg SEO for the article title, and I'm going to scroll down, and what I'm going to do is click on Search SERPs. Now, this says it takes 0 to 3 minutes, but typically it comes up within about 10 seconds. Now, what I want to do is choose results that are from real websites about Landenberg SEO. And I'll usually choose about 3 or so. So I'll choose this one right here, I'll choose this one right here, and I'll choose this one right here. 3 real sites about Landenberg SEO. Typically, I won't choose sites that don't have much content like YouTube or any other type of sites like that. You want to choose real sites that have a good amount of content. Now, these are all my sites, so it's going to be an outline based off my content, but it doesn't matter. This is my content. Is structured well. It's horrible content, but it's structured well with my H tags, and that's what we're after. Now we're going to scroll down, and we're going to do create outline based on the competition. Research SERPs. Now, this usually says it takes like 3 to 7 minutes, I think. Yeah, 3 to 7 minutes. But typically, this is done in about 20 seconds, where you're going to have a full outline of the best chance you have to hit the top of Google, number 1, very, very quickly. And here is our results right here. If we scroll down, here's our full outline. And notice over here, all of our H tags are already done for us. So that is huge because this is using the H tags from the first page for the sites that are already ranking, taking a combination of what the top 3 sites are using it in its own outline and creating and spitting it out for you. So you can see the whole outline over here. Now you have 2 options. All right. Your options are to give this over to a writer where they manually write the article, or even easier, you can come down here and click generate article. With the credit system, with this platform, this will cost you like $1, like not even. It's cost you like $1 to have the article written, and it'll be done within like 3 minutes. Now, once you click on generate article, it's going to generate it. It takes about 3 minutes. I'm going to show you one that was already written. I'm just going to go to my articles history right here to show you. And this was actually that's processing right now. I must accidentally hit OK. But there's one right here, Landenberg SEO, that I use actually on one of my sites. And we're going to go ahead and view it. I just want to show you what it looks like. And boom, here's our whole article for the website. We copy and paste, has our outline there and everything. And that's how it spits it out. That's how easy it is. Now, understand that what is written in the article, like the regular text part, is not even that important. It's about as important as a one-legged man in an ass-kicking contest. Not much ass is going to be kicked. What is important is the big on-page SEO factors that I always talk about. Your domain and or your URL, your title, and your H tags, or the outline that we just got from our AI friend, the H tags. The actual regular content matters almost none. And I can prove this point to you by showing you one of the sites ranking for Landenberg SEO. Now, I quickly showed you this article before, but what I did was I used a mix of AI content and just me writing horrible content. So look, I say in today's digital world of SEO, it doesn't need to be quality content. I'm going to prove it to you with this crappy article. I'm doing this page to prove that content doesn't mean a darn thing if you have keywords in the right places. This site will rank quickly on page 1 simply because I had the right keywords in the right places. Quality content being a factor is absolute ridiculous. Special note, and I say Google caught wind of my channel. They kind of smacked some of my sites I showed on the channel, so if rankings don't stick, that's why. But this site ranked page 1 within 48 hours. Now I say I get even more ridiculous. I say SEO can also stand for some extraordinary ordinary. How bad is that? Yeah, that makes no sense at all. Just trying to prove a point here. This article absolutely sucks, but that's okay because I had the right keywords in the right places. Hey, Google, I'm going to outsmart you. Now, I continue writing this a little bit, and then I just go and I paste the AI article that I just showed you in the previous section. This is that article that the AI content writer spit out for me. So this article that's ranking on page 1, that hit page 1 in less than 48 hours, is a mix of me writing totally ridiculous stuff, and then all the rest is AI content, bam, ranked within 48 hours. Why is that? Because I have the right keywords in the right places. The content matters very little. It's about having the right keywords in the right places. We know how to get our titles and our URLs and all that in place. This tool that I just showed you gets all the other important stuff in place, all the H tags. And we know it's important because it takes what's on the first page, takes their outlines, builds a better one, and then spits it back to you. Bam, your on page is perfect. So, as you can see, getting content that Google wants is extremely easy. We don't even have to do the work ourselves these days. Let a little robot do the work for you. It spits out a perfect outline, and they can even write the damn article for you. I mean, what the hell else do you want from me? Oh yeah, you need to know how to rank number 1. All right, well, I have good news and I have bad news for you. I'm not one of these SEO guys that's just going to tell you things to make you happy. I don't care about your happiness. I care about your SEO success. So, if you're looking for happiness, go buy a puppy or something. Stay away from kids and wives. Brutal. Just go get a cute puppy and never go outside and talk to people ever again. Recipe for happiness. Now, the recipe for ranking number 1 in Google is doing what we covered in the first part of this video, mixed with what I'm about to cover now. So, if you are going after a really easy term, there's nothing else you need to do. You will rank number 1 very quickly doing just what we talked about so far. The less competition there is for what you are trying to rank for, the quicker and easier you're going to rank. If you have keywords in your domain, it's going to happen quicker and easier. As you saw, many of my Landenberg SEO properties have keywords in the domain name. This was not an accident, like getting married and having 3 children. I was fully in my right mind when I made the decision to put keywords in my domains. Now, if you are going after more competitive terms, you are going to need authority. Plain and simple. By authority, I mean linking power. Now, you can start by leeching off the authority of other sites. Let me show you some examples here. So if we go back and search for Landenberg SEO, there's a couple things I want to point out. One of my listings is a LinkedIn Pulse. So I'm using the power of LinkedIn to rank a property on their site and rank for Landenberg SEO. And if we scroll down a little more, I also have a YouTube channel here ranking for Landenberg SEO. So I'm using the power of YouTube and ranking for Landenberg SEO. And here's another example for that. So when I first met my wife, I made her rank number one for the most beautiful woman in Delaware. This is my video right here from 2016, over 8 years ago. Now, again, what I did was I used the power of YouTube. I put the keywords in the right places, and I ranked very quickly for most beautiful woman in Delaware. And this did me a service, or now I could say a disservice, because I'm now married, and it got my wife to marry me. The beauty here is that websites like YouTube and LinkedIn have massive authority already. That's why we're using them. And we can go use their authority to our advantage by creating the properties on these sites like you just saw. It's like we're mosquitoes at the picnic. They do all the hard work, and we just suck their blood. But when it gets more and more competitive, you're going to need page authority as well. And that means you're going to have to build links to your properties. I personally use PBNs, and I build links with my only recommended link provider. Link for that is in the description below if you want to check it out. He powers my whole agency. Awesome resource. If you want to learn how to build PBNs, just go to our channel and search for how to build a PBN network. I got you covered. And look, if you're a beginner, start small. Go rank for something that is not that hard and won't require links. If you live in a smaller city or a town, go shoot a YouTube video for your girlfriend. Name the title of that video, Most Beautiful Women in City State. Rank number one within a couple days. Impress girlfriend. Just don't marry her and have kids. That is the real lesson in this video. You thought I was an SEO coach? Ha! I'm a life coach. Go buy a puppy and forget about humans. Happy life. The end. Give me a comment. Throw us a like. Help with our growth. And subscribe. Damn it. I'm out.